Hey girls, today we are reviewing our prefix pre, and pre means before. So when we add it to the beginning of a word, it changes its meaning to have before as part of it. So right now, you can write it, you can trace it, but you can also type it in the box that I put on your slide. And you need to type 3 times pre means before. Pre means before. Pre means before. All right, now you need your reading sheet from last week. I put a copy in the slide above this one, and so you can read from that. As you're watching me, you can always open up this video in another tab. Make sure you go through and circle the prefix pre and underline the base word. And so you can pause this video while you do that. All right, now I'm going to read the words down the column, and I'll pause for you to repeat it after me, and then the same with our sentences. Prevent, premix, prefix, prescribe, prepay, prejudge, preheat, prehistoric, pre-wash, pre-plan, predate, pre-shrink, pre-cut, prepare, predict, prefer. To prevent is to stop something before it happens. To prejudge is to judge someone before you know him. To pre-shrink is to shrink clothes before you use them. If you can predict the weather, you know the weather before it happens. If you prefer play, you will play before you work. You need to preheat the stove before you bake a cake. A prefix is fixed or placed before the word. All right, now flip your paper over and make sure you're on the slide where the video is. I am going to give you a word from the sheet. I say, you say, tap it out, and then I want you to type how you would spell it in the box that I provided. I've listed the spelling words and I've numbered them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If a red line comes up once you're done spelling, please don't correct it. It's helpful for me to see how you spell it if it is misspelled. Okay, so just leave it how you think it should be. Okay, all right. Prefix. Prefix. Remember, you can pause this if you need more time to type. Prepay. Prepay. Number 3, prejudge. Prejudge. Number 4, pre-plan. Pre-plan. And number 5, pre-shrink. Pre-shrink. All right, so one more time, pre means before. So write, trace, or type 3 times. Pre means before. Pre means before. Pre means before. All right, now I'm going to go through some of our cards. And so I'll kind of pause for you to say what you think it is, and then I'll say what the sound or meaning of the card is as well. Pre, before. Dis, not or away. In, not or in, sorry. Re, again, or back. Miss, bad or wrong. Un, not, or opposite. Thra, scra, spra, squa, qua, w. I want to do all the cards. R, n, remember that G is silent. G or j before E, I, Y. K or s before E, I, Y. Pull. I, at the end of a word, often followed by T like light. A, U. A like brain, beginning, middle of word. I. Oi like toy, end of a word. Oi like coin, beginning or middle. Ow, like if I pinch you, middle of a word. E like eat. O. Remember when you're saying that short sound of O, it says ah, and your mouth makes like an O itself. Ow, O, like snowplow. Fe, edge of table. Boo book. O, like boat. Like shirt. E, like feet. Often found at the end of a word. Like turkey. Unk. A. Ew, you. Aw, when you see a baby, it's at the typically the end of a word. Ang. Ank. Oast. Or. X. B. D. J. Short vowel marker at the end of a word. Ch. Again, short vowel marker comes right after a short vowel at the end of a word. K. Short vowel marker, end of word. Kul, full, pull, zol. Kol, ngol, nkol, sol. Like castle, that T is silent. Id, d, t means in the past tense of a word. S or z means more than one. E means quality of, like messy or grouchy. Ing, present tense, happening right now. Shun, final stable syllable. Less means without. Full means full of. Ness means state of being, like happiness. So this is a plural is or us. So this again just means more than one. Comparative adjective, so higher, sadder. And we can also use it to create nouns, like a baker is someone who bakes, a dancer is someone who dances. Est, the most, sorry. So like the highest, the saddest, the most sad. Magic-y, makes the vowel say its name. All right, I'm going to give you guys a couple of words, made up words to blend on the next slide. And then for your red words today, you can teach someone at home how to play our red word game. And you can get creative with how you play that. So let me know how it goes. Bye, guys.